Hey guys, welcome back. Ripley Ventures. Doing a little chores here today. Mama Goose helping, cleaning out the wood stove. It's full of ashes. These white ashes from all the wood we burnt last year. It's super soft, kind of icky. Bowen was helping me, and then all of a sudden he started playing in there with a big tractor in his truck. So I told him, heck yeah, why don't you build a mountain and push some dirt and jump in there. So he's gonna do that. Here's our big wood stove. Heats a bunch of water up. We're gonna cut some wood today. Whoa! Are you in there? Hello, hello. Here, grab this. Yeah, there you go. You got a bulldozer. Use your bulldozer. Whoa.
Don't shut it.
Should I shut the door on you?
No!
I won't. I won't. I'm gonna use your little shovel.
You make a flat surface.
Woo. You wanna play? You can scoop some dirt. Here you go. You wanna hop in? You might wreck Bowen's mountain though. Bowen's making a mountain, briar beans.
Ah, the sandcastle didn't work.
It might be a little too soft for it. Oh, it's there. Get rid of this one. Now try it again. You want to play a Bobo? There, push it down real hard. Now try it.
Okay, it didn't come out.
Briar Beans, what are you
It
doing?
doesn't come out, but it's underground.
You're gonna stand on his mountain? Don't squish his mountain.
Ugh.
How is it? Nice and soft?
Yeah. Good.
Let me see that bulldozer. What sound does a bulldozer make?
So,
Here we go, pushing up the mountain.
the truck. Oh, ow.
Careful.
Look at those flakes, like rain flakes.
Whoa!
Whoa. Help me, help me. Help me.
Bulldozer, pull him out, pull him out.
Help me, help me. I
Whoa.
want to have a bulldozer. Help me. Let's get this rock. Whoa, look at this.
What sound does it make when it backs up? Beep, beep, beep. Look at that bucket on the front. We're gonna be so dusty we'll have to take baths tonight, huh?
Ow.
Here we go. Briar, don't put your hair in it. Come on. Look at that big mountain.
No, mine.
Let's see that tractor go up that hill. Watch out for the bulldozer! You want to try the bulldozer?
I want to use it.
Let's not spend too much time in here, though. We don't want to breathe in all this ickiness.
Bobo was teasing.
You guys, there you go, sharing your toys. Push it, boy, and see if you can go right through it. Push, push, push.
3, 2, 1.
How about this? Can you bulldoze a little bit in my shovel for me? Can you bulldoze some in my shovel and I'll dump it in Mom's bucket? There, I'm gonna take some of it out.
Daddy, can I have a tunnel for bulldozer?
What's that? Hey, Briar, can you share the bulldozer with Bodie?
Bubba haven't got a ton.
Thank you.
No.
Okay, well, if we're not going to share, we can't be playing in here. Bowden will let you use his monster truck.
Or my tractor, or my shovel, or my sandcastle.
I'm going to use the monster truck.
Why, which one do you want? The tractor?
Look at the tracks it makes.
But please can we...
Look at that, Bowden. Huh?
What?
Big
I'm
ruts.
gonna make a load.
Big ruts.
Bye!
Ah, no! Don't push it! Ah! Okay, guys, let's keep working. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
We don't want to be in there too long. Let's see how dirty you are, Briar Beans. Watch your head. Oh, yeah, you're covered. Dusty. Dusty, let me see your face. Look at your butt. Okay, watch your head. Oh, you're playing. Okay, Mom, let's get back to work. You're going to take a nap over there. Later.